Hello everyone. In this video I will review Seedify Launchpad. If you're ready, let's get started. On the CryptoRank site, Seedify is generally at the top of the profitability analysis chart. It has made 20 IDOs in the last year, and its profitability rate is around 260%. Let's look at this in more detail. Here are the statistics about Seedify Launchpad. The price of sfund token is currently around $3.50. ATH profitability average is 25x. Compared to current prices, the average profitability is 1.17x. Seedify Launchpad has released 73 IDOs so far and raised approximately $26 million in funding. Seedify Launchpad gives importance to game projects. Apart from this, you can see the rates of NFT, blockchain, and other projects here. When we look at the latest IDOs, we can see that the profitability rates are not bad. Especially projects with high ROIs are of great importance. For example, the Solidus project is still worth 4 times its selling price. I want to sort this table by highest ROIs. Yes. The highest profits are generally from projects in 2023. ChainGPT has increased its sales price almost 20 times. If you had a $100 purchase from Seedify Launchpad, you could increase your money to $2,000 by purchasing ChainGPT. Of course, I gave this example based on the current price. You could also earn more. ATH is highest value. Those who bought $100 worth of Blocktopia in 2021 made very good profits. Some of them even doubled their investment by $700. Now let's go to the Seedify Launchpad site. The Seedify team has a nice site. Here you see the exchanges where you can buy Seedify. If you want to buy Seedify tokens, you can register to the exchanges using the discounted links below this video and buy Seedify tokens from these exchanges. There is a section here that explains Seedify's guaranteed refund policy. For example, if you regret not being able to earn the profit you wanted after joining an IDO, you can get your money back within a certain period of time. Here are the upcoming projects. Many good projects will soon be published on IDO. Further down are the completed IDOs. You can review their prices and other distribution statistics. Seedify calls IDOs IGO because it likes game projects. Apart from IGO Launchpad, there is also an NFT Launchpad section. So, what is required to participate in Seedify projects? There are guides here with very good explanations. These guides guide users well. I said that in the launchpads I described before, authentication and staking conditions are required. For Seedify, you need to authenticate via BlockPass and stake sfund by connecting your wallet. Let's look at tier levels to see how much sfund to deposit. Seedify Launchpad's tiers and pool weights are here. There are 9 different levels here. In the past, Tier 1 level was based on lottery, but with the latest update, all tiers, including Tier 1 holders, have guaranteed purchase rights. According to this table, you need to stake at least 500 sfund tokens. Since the sfund token is worth around $3.50, the minimum amount is around $1,750. I am showing you the allocations in the Farcana presale on Seedify as an example. You can make an evaluation by looking at these allocations. If you invest, you will earn interest at certain rates throughout the investment period, depending on the time period you choose. When I will participate in sfund IDOs, I will explain the participation processes step by step. I explain launchpads and IDOs to you on my channel. Do your research well and please just make up your own mind. This channel does not provide investment advice. I hope this video is useful to you. For similar content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.